garter snake. And Jesus freaking Christ, he's feisty. Look at this, ready? Look at that. He's like striking all over the place. I just like kind of move the cage a little bit. It's all ready to go. He wants out, that's fine. But I'm not going here because my mom would kill me if I brought the snake to the car. He is a feisty one though. Like, God, Jesus. Yeah, so, yeah, you can see that. Fucking try to bite it. Yeah, see, look. Ah. So, yeah, he's crazy. So, comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Yeah, bye. I'm so happy the collecting season started.